giant steer issues that got worse with the new Pirelli.
Supercar. They really have come through. So far, the journalists that have engaged the car agree with us that we've made a quantum leap in the accessibility and the overall drivability of the car. And the other things I'm starting to notice are the details. Even the steering wheel. I remember these very drawn out discussions about what the rim section should be like, how it should feel in your hands, and that's great. And I think they've done a nice job. But the fact that it's connected to such a linear steering rack now and such a firm body really kind of heightens the whole experience. So it's the kind of car you don't have to drive at 9/10 to love, to fall in love with. I'm falling in love with it, and I'm driving at 3/10 here. We're today at Gingerman to expose the Viper finally. This will be the first time people outside of the company drive the new Viper. This is what we call a long lead event. Some of our select group of media from the most popular magazines get a first chance to taste the car, hear from the engineers firsthand, and really see the wonderful evolution that the Viper's become. Yeah, we're really happy to finally have our fifth member of the SRT portfolio. And it's interesting because, you know, the Viper is obviously the flagship of the brand. It really houses some really cool technologies that have come straight from our racing program over the years. The carbon fiber, the X-brace, the two-piece rotors, the aggressive rubber from Pirelli. Some really great things are really all coming to a head with the Viper.